Karl Marx's concept of class struggle. Karl Marx's concept of class struggle is one of the most influential ideas in sociology, economics, and political science. It might sound complicated at first, but it is really about understanding how societies have always been divided into groups based on wealth and power, and how these divisions shape our lives. Marx argued that history is not just a series of random events, but is driven by the struggles between these different groups, or classes. Imagine a society where people are divided into two broad categories: those who own things like factories, land, or businesses, and those who work for them. Marx called the first group the bourgeoisie, or the ruling class. These are the people who control resources and wealth. The second group he called the proletariat, or the working class. These are the people who sell their labor, like workers in a factory or employees in a company, to earn a living. According to Marx, the bourgeoisie and the proletariat have conflicting interests. The bourgeoisie wants to make as much profit as possible. To do this, they try to keep wages low and make workers work harder and longer. On the other hand, the proletariat wants better wages, shorter working hours, and improved working conditions. This conflict of interests is what Marx referred to as class struggle. Marx believed that this struggle between the bourgeoisie and the proletariat is not unique to modern capitalist societies. He argued that every society in history has been shaped by similar struggles between different classes. For example, in ancient times, the struggle was between masters and slaves. In the feudal era, it was between lords and peasants. In each case, one group exploited the other, and over time, this exploitation led to major changes in society. In a capitalist society, Marx explained that the class struggle is particularly intense because the system is designed to prioritize profit over people. For example, factory owners might replace workers with machines to cut costs, even though this leaves workers unemployed. Or they might move their factories to countries where wages are lower, leaving entire communities without jobs. These decisions make life harder for the working class while increasing the wealth of the ruling class.